And this is Alpit Mehra. Welcome to Algo-Investing. If you want to backtest your strategies, then you have to come to this section. You have to select your stock. Let's suppose I have to select that Magic Gondok Shipbuilder. Then you have to select the duration, for which duration you want to backtest your stock. Let's suppose I want to select the stock from any random date from 10th of January to 10th of January 2026. You have to fetch the data using this button. Then after you have to select your strategy. Let's suppose I'm selecting the moving average ripple. You can customize your parameter according to your needs. Let's suppose I'm comfortable in 10, 25, 60. Then I have to select and you have to run this. After run, you have to scroll down and you can check your strategy, date range, simulation capital, simulation value, and simulation profit and loss, whatever you can see here. And when you enter in this stock and exit from this stock, you can see in this table format. So with the help of this way, you can do the backtesting. You can select any strategy, like you can select MACD, EMA crossover, RSI, or bought over sold, Bollinger Band, up 20, and so on, what you want. If you want to plot the indicator, then you can select. Let's suppose I want to plot the MACD. Yeah, I have to select the MACD. I can check the parameter here. You can scroll down, so you can see that this is the graph of MACD. If you want to plot Bollinger Band, then you can see that on this graph Bollinger Band applied. If you want uh, RSI, then you can select and you can check that this is the RSI graph on Algo Investing. So like that you can do. You can also indicate EMA and SMA also, and customize the parameter according to your needs. So this is the way you can do the backtesting of your stocks according to your strategies. If you want to watch list any stock for future, what you can do, you can go to watchlist section. Select the stock. I want to add the Mazgondo builder in my watch list for future alert. Then what I have to do, I have to select this. I have to select the strategy according to which strategy I want signals. Let's suppose I select moving average triple and this parameter, and this is by default invested amount and holding duration. You can change according to your needs and add stock. So you can see stock added successfully. Okay, now in the below mm, you can Majgondo builder, moving average triple, and this. So whenever any signal will be generated, then you will got the mail on your registered mail. So you can check the your information about your profile. You can check like name, subscription validity here. You can check the subscription here. You can select any subscription according to your needs. If you will select the subscription annually, then you will save up to 17%. So if you want to read the about the strategies, then you can go to help and doc section. Here we have explained every strategy like EMA, MACD, up 20, moving average triple, Bollinger breakout, RSI hour bought over sold, and so on. Whatever strategy we will develop in future, we will update here. So thank you everyone